In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Acuity scheduling with your Wix website, ensuring that your clients can easily book appointments online without any hassle. First, let's start in your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the scheduling page. If you can't spot it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it's also accessible under the Integrations tab. This is where you will find the options to get the necessary embed code for your website. Now, the fun part begins. You will notice a few options for what you can embed. Acuity gives you the flexibility to choose between embedding a full scheduler, just a booking button, or a booking bar. Each offers a slightly different experience, so think about what would best suit your website's layout and your specific needs. If your goal is to provide clients with a straightforward way to book, a full scheduler might be your best bet. However, if you want something that fits neatly into a smaller space, the booking button or bar could work nicely. Once you've made your decision, it's time to get that embed code. Simply click on the copy button to copy the HTML embed code that Acuity provides. This action will put the code on your clipboard, ready for the next big step. Now let's move over to your Wix site editor. If you haven't used Wix before, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform that makes editing websites a breeze. You'll need to locate the option to add an element to your page. Look for the embed option. This should either say embed a site or HTML embed. Once found, you'll want to drag and drop this element onto the page where you'd like your scheduling tool to appear. After you've placed the element where you want it, click on the settings for this HTML element. It's here that you'll paste the embed code you copied from Acuity Scheduling. Make sure to paste it exactly as it is to avoid any errors or issues with how the scheduler displays. Finally, to see all your hard work pay off, you'll need to publish your Wix site. By doing this, any changes you've made, including the new scheduling tool, will go live for your clients to use. Once your site is published, navigate to it and verify that the Acuity scheduling tool appears and functions as expected, and there you have it. Your Wix website now features an integrated scheduling tool from Acuity, making it easier than ever for clients to book appointments with you. This seamless integration not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also offers your visitors a sleek and efficient way to engage with your business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!